What? I don't have upper lip. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to recreate a makeup look that I saw on Instagram last night. It looks simple, so let's see if I can do something similar, because I'm sure it's not gonna be like 100% exact, but something similar. Okay, and by the way, if you think that I look weird, it is because of my upper lip, because I also look weird every time I see my face on the camera. Look at my upper lip, like, what? I don't have upper lip. Nah, actually it's because half of it is covered by the foundation, so it looks like I look like this. No upper lip. But anyway, that's alright. We will fix that one later. And wanna shout out for my hair. I braided myself. Okay, so let's begin with the eye makeup. I'll use The Balm palette because I miss this, and I like it because it's mostly all of it are matte. So yeah. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna use this peachy color shade. I already started putting this one like a little brown shade, like light brown shade. Then I'm gonna put this peachy on top of it. And I'm gonna insert here the look that I wanted to recreate. So at least you have an idea of what I wanted to do with my life. So yeah, like that. Just put the peachy color like all over the lid, like no pattern. And guys, I wanted to remind you to please subscribe to my channel, because so as I was saying, please subscribe to my channel because it makes me happy when I have a new subscriber, even if it's like only one new subscriber. So it really makes me happy, and I appreciate it. Like, it gives meaning to what I'm doing. Like, I don't know, there's just some satisfaction when there's a new subscriber. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, I would appreciate if you would subscribe. But if you don't want to, that's also okay, but preferably if you will. Walang pilitan, but please. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add this peachy color on my lid. I think the lighting is too bright. You can barely see it, but in reality, it's already there. It's packed. Okay, so that's it. And then what I'm gonna do next is put this pink color on the crease. So I'm putting now the pink one. I was actually thinking of making a video with just pink color makeup, like pink lips, pink everything, pink lid, and like theme pink, like the theme is pink. But I don't have much makeup that has a pink. Oh, maybe I did. Maybe I do have pink, because I have pink blush, pink. But the problem, this pink is a bit light, like too light. I'm not sure if you can see it. It's too light, so it doesn't. I don't really count it as like pink. So I just changed my camera location because the other side is too bright and you see nothing. So this is how it looks like, all over the place. But anyway, the next step is I'll be putting my eyeliner, and then I'm gonna put for the first time here in my channel, I'm gonna put this fake eyelashes, because the last time I did put on eyelashes, it's like wow. So I'm gonna try to put an eyeliner today. Okay, so, and by the way, I'm so sorry if this video is all over the place, kasi in the first place I did not plan to film it. I just wanted to like practice before I shower. What I'm doing during quarantine is like I practice on makeup before I shower, so that when I shower, I also wash my face, like, you know, hitting, like doing two things together, like, you know what I mean. Anyway, ala. So don't worry, my white pa dyan, but it's okay. Okay. Bipolar. Okay, done with my eyeliner. So the next step is this fake eyelashes. Look at that. What? Guys, it's time to put the eyelashes, which I'm nervous because I don't normally put eyelashes, and I know I'm gonna suck at it, especially for my eye type. Nakakainis, ang hirap. And for my eye condition, because I have dry eyes, and if I open my eyes for too long, nagda-dry siya, then namumula na siya, and then that's the start of the misery. Okay, so please take note of the hands. This is the hand, para hindi hand ng magme-makeup, hand ng nag-vulcanize. Okay, it's time to do it. Wish me luck. Okay guys, oh diba? Can you see the difference between with eyelashes and just the eyeliner? There's really a difference, right? Oh, see? Ayun yung dumikit, parang tanga. Dumikit ka. Ouch! Tadaan! O, diba? Mapula na ang mata ko. See the difference? There is a big difference. Tada! Oh. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda ko. Charing. Tapos yan, pula na siya. Amazing. Okay, so moving on, dahil nalagay na natin successfully ang ating eyelashes. So, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng yung dito sa baba ng eyes para may konting color siya. Like that. Okay. We're almost done. I'm gonna put something shimmery on my inner corner to make my eyes look bigger and makeup tutorial, I saw they put like shimmer on the inner corner, so why not as well put on mine. The theme is like peachy colors, so I'm gonna use this peachy blush on. Smile. Okay guys, naluluha na ako. And if you notice na hindi pantay ang aking mata, because in reality, hindi talaga sila pantay. Ooh! Lagyan natin sa... highlighter, because a girl has to glow. I'm sorry. Are you kidding me? I think I want to put a little bit of contour on my nose to make it look like slim and pointy. I'm gonna just use this one. I'm just gonna use the one on the palette. This. Hope it works. Oh. Looks like it's working, pero hindi pantay. Okay guys, so now I'm very colorful. Maglalagay na ako ng lipstick for the finale. So I'm gonna use this NYX lipstick. There you go. The final look, and what do you think? Di na bang pang Instagram? So I'm gonna insert some photos of how this makeup look on picture, like for your Instagram posts. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me and watching the whole video. If you reach this part, I highly appreciate it. And if you have any requests, please tell me, comment down below. I will try to do your request, because you know I have nothing else to do. So yeah, until next time guys, thank you so much. Ciao.